Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 1996 Ford Ranger in our shop. So the customer stated that it was a cylinder 2 misfire. The customer did supply us with the parts and we put them on and they did not work. So we are going to further diagnose.
So last night we got the truck towed in on that 96 Ranger. So we knew the battery was a little shy. So we were like, oh, let's throw it on the charger. Well, this is the battery. The battery's still charging. It's been on the battery for more than 12 hours. And you know what it means when a battery's on the battery charger for more than 12 hours? It ain't good. Even if it's on a trickle charger, it doesn't matter. It should have had a green light saying it's gotten halfway or more. So now we're going to try to grab another battery, throw it in there, and see what we get after that.
We ended up putting a different battery in it. It cranks over, but nothing. It tries to start, we still get nothing. So we're actually going to go test those cylinders. We are going to go ahead and use this fancy little tool that we have right here. And we're going to make sure all the wires are good, the spark plugs are good, and we're going to check those coil packs, because who knows.
While Hunter's going to the bathroom, I found that one of these new wires that came with the kit that the customer supplied is missing something. So now I'm on the hunt. They don't have plug wires right now for it. So I'm on the hunt to go through some of my extra stuff and see if I can locate a wire that I can steal some pieces from.
Well, we've done all the testing. We used our little spark plug thing that we had. So it's getting fire. So right now we're going to use our little compression tool right here. And we're going to see what happens and see if we get any compression. It needs to be between the ratio between 150 and 180. If it goes anywhere below that, I'm not comfortable. All right, so our number two cylinder, it's not looking so good. It's getting no compression.
Oh no!
All right, go ahead. Means no compression, no engine. Well, we went ahead and called the customer, and she said that we either need to get a used engine for it or replace the head gasket.
I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. I just took this off of an intake gasket. Okay, look how brittle this thing is. This is super brittle. It should not be like that at all. How do you get coolant in the cylinder head like this? Right? And when the coolant gets drained, it looks like that with a leaf in it. Mind you, this is brand new because I needed to check the coolant. Brand new, and there's a leaf inside of it. How does it look like this when inside a hole it is green? What's up, guys? I'm back. For whatever reason, I don't know how it happened, but camera just tilted up for whatever reason. Forgot about checking it, and you missed a whole having fun putting this engine in.
Moment of truth right now. For a second. What the fuck just flew at me? Did you get it?
Oh no! All right, well, we had the truck running really good, and it just out of nowhere blew another. It looks like a seal on the bottom of this water pump. Or not the water pump, but a water outlet. So we have to go get a seal for that, and the store is already closed. This part is bad. The seal that was supposed to be here, little rubber one, is completely missing. So I don't know how this engine ran before, but it's missing. So, got it running. It ain't leaking. Idle's a little high, but we can adjust that just a little bit. But she is running. She's doing good. On to the next one. Hey guys, it's Jason or Otter, whatever you want to call me, here at Oddballs, also known as J&J Automotive. I'm looking for some particular cars, and I got brakes for them. So I'm reaching out to anybody out there that has a 1989 Chevy S10, two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, 1982 Celica, 1993 Honda Accord, believe. I think either Civic or Accord. If you guys are curious about how you can get these brakes for free, DM me and let's talk.